Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with part 2 of the Q&A. We actually have a couple of users left. If my screen will scroll, there we go. Andrew Lieb and Hunter Evans are the last two for the Q&A for the month. Andrew Lieb is first. He's going to ask, which steam locomotives on display would you like to see fully restored and operating in operational condition again? Excuse me. I think I would really like to see NNW 1218. And that would be one of my favorites that should be restored again. Plus, Southern 1401 at the Smithsonian. Are you going to do more locomotive comparison videos in the near future? Yes, I've just put those on hold just because rail fanning has been really busy right now. But I plan to actually get those up and running again before too long. Any of the latest information on the restoration work for either of the ones listed? No, I don't. I just haven't had time to really follow up with those. Hold on, guys. His next question: what favorite related television show? What is your favorite railroad related television show and/or movie? I like a lot of the documentaries on the railroads. Most any movie with the train is actually pretty cool. Like Unstoppable was a cool one. Rio Lobo is a John Wayne movie. It has a Civil War era train that's in it, which is pretty cool. So, just to name a couple. Just to name a couple. So, which of the following flags do you mostly prefer? I prefer the Pensy, the NNW, and the New York Central. And Hunter Evans, my main man. Glad to see he's coming around. I'm glad to see Andrew's coming around too. So, Andrew, thanks for your questions. Hunter's got 3 questions. Favorite rail span spot in the Norfolk District? Of course, it's Suffolk. It's my own home city. How many of the CS extinguished units have you seen? Let me think. Let's see. I think I've only seen 2. I've seen the LNN and the Monon, and that's it. Just the LNN and the Monon. Least favorite NS rebuild, the Dash 8.540 CW. I never liked those from the very start. It was just a complete failure by NS. They never could get the emissions right with them, so that was not really my favorite there. So, but anyway, that concludes the September Q&A responses. I just want to say thank you to all who participated. October Q&A prompt will be coming out soon on October the 1st. That one does have some new rules in it, so please pay attention to that video when it comes out because there are going to be some new rules in it. So anyway, that concludes this Q&A response part 2 series. I am Engineer Pat 5290. I look forward to seeing you in the next Q&A and also the next rail and truck adventures ahead. All right, guys, peace out. May God bless, and I'll see you next time.